Today I take your literature class. Today I revise chapter 4. 1, 2, 3 I have completed revision. Today I revise chapter 4. The poem. The name of the poem was The Violet. And it was written by Jane Taylor. Jane Taylor was an English poet and novelist. He wrote many words. The Twinkle Twinkle, the words of the song he wrote, which is widely known, but it is generally forgotten who wrote it. That is, the poem The Violet by Jane Taylor opens with the verse, down in a green shady bed, where the speaker sports the modest violet, as if it is trying to hide with his bent stalk and head hung low. The speaker feels that with its beauty and charm, it could be a part of a rosy bower, flaunting its beauty. That is, the violet is a lovely flower, and it is bright and fair. It is not red, it is not pink, it is violet. And this flower is very beautiful. The flower is bright and fair. Down, now I write the poem. Down is a green rosy bower, green and shady bed. The modest violet grew. Its stalk was bent, it hung its head as if to hide from view. And yet, so why the violet called modest? That is, according to a legendary, it was Venus who made violet blue. That is, it is called the flower of modesty because it hides all its flower in its heart-shaped leaf. Okay, so it is called modest. And yet it was a lovely flower. It's colored bright and fair. What color it is? If I wrote the violet, the color of the violet is 4 options: red, blue, green, fair and beauty. You must put the tick mark fair and beauty, bright and fair. So it might have graced a rosy bower. That is, graced means dignified, glorified. And a rosy bower. Bower means a pleasant, shady place. Okay, instead of England. Yet thus it was content to bloom in modest tints arrayed. Arrayed means dress, attire, arrangement. And they are diffused a sweet perfume. Diffused means spread out. It has a fragrance, beautiful fragrance, and spread its sweet perfume all the space within the silent shade. Let me to the valley go, this pretty flower to see, that I may also learn to grow a sweet humility. Humility means modesty, humbleness. That is, the violet was a lovely flower because its color bright and fair, and it might have raised a rosy bower instead of hiding there. What is meant by modest inside means a color. Modest in and means it means that a color or shade of humbleness is arranged. So this is the poem, and you must read the poem and learn the poem, and every line you must meaning. That is, grace means dignity and glorify. Bower means a pleasant, shady shade. Array means dress. Diffuse means spread out. Humility is modesty and humbleness. And you must know the adjective has. Now I come to the exercises. You know there are 3 forms of adjective: base form adjective, positive, comparative, superlative. Generally we made er the main adjective to make it comparative, est to the superlative. That is, your book has some words: sweet, comparative, sweeter, sweetest, superlative. Lovely, L-O-V-E-L-Y, L-O-V-E-L-I-E-R, lovelier, L-O-V-E-L-I-E-S-T, loveliest. Best, what is the best superlative degree? What is the comparative form of best? Better. So positive degree, good, better, best. Cold, positive degree. Comparative degree, colder, coldest, superlative. Pretty, P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty, prettier, P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R, P-R-E-T-T-I-E-S-T. And so there are some words. Question number 3, there are some words, and you, what is tree and what is flowers? You, I give you at your homework, you must do it. Okay, and now I tell you about your examination. Your first time examination is near about your hand, knocking at your door, but so you must prepare yourself for the exam, and you must, every chapter you learn thoroughly, and each and every line and meaning, opposite meaning, the comparative superlative degree exercise, there is opposite, word practice, one word meaning, everything you write. Each, there is a question, one question, 4 options. Right option, right answer you must tick out, and wrong options do not touch. In this procedure you may appear in the exam. So next day I repeat 4 chapters and some giving, I will give you some sample questions. Okay, or next day. Okay, this is your chapter 4. I totally revise you, and I hope that you prepare yourself at home.